Eric Turner. I'm the Madison County Fire Chief. We cover an area about 540 some odd square miles. Fire protection, we run first responder calls for EMS and virtually everything else. We run about 1,100 to 1,200 calls a year currently with an increase every year for the last 6 years. We run out of 17 fire stations. We run about 180 personnel out of 64 apparatus.
My name is Matthew Gay. I do a host of things here at the department. I'm over all the maintenance for all the vehicles and the stations themselves, and then I do all the radio stuff. We had a single site conventional analog repeater that was covering a 300-foot tower, and it was trying to cover the entire county with that one site. With that not having any redundancy, just having that single site, any kind of problem that we had, whether it be water in the hard line or a lightning hit, we had several lightning hits there in a row on that site with no redundant backup at all, no backup. So that was a stress. It was stressful to me knowing that, somebody called me, hey, this thing's not working. I don't know what we're gonna do now.
We wanted to have a site that if we lost the tower, we could keep talking. We wanted something that we could expand on in the future. We didn't want to spend money and not be able to expand on that. And you're using taxpayer money. We want to make sure we do the best we can with that money.
I talked with Mike, and he made a recommendation of what he thought would be the best thing to go with, which was the Tait system that we got. And now we went, of course, from a single site system to 4-site simulcast system that is fully upgradable. With the system we have now, if we lose one of our sites, we still have a system that's still up and running 3 out of 4, which is a whole lot better than 1 out of 1 that doesn't work. We're starting off with an analog simulcast. We could go to P25 simulcast, and then we could go to P25 phase 2 trunking if we want to, and we still don't have to make any more investment in our infrastructure. It's already there, just a matter of upgrading our end users' equipment to make that happen. So that's what we were shooting for, is that ability to upgrade and not waste any money on our current stuff. Before, you had to look for places where you could talk on a portable. Now I'm trying to look for places that I can't, and I haven't found them yet. And I intentionally went to places and sent people to places that I said, I know, the system is awesome, but it can't work. There's no way we've got portable coverage in this spot, because it's always been a bad spot. It was a bad spot before on mobiles, where we couldn't talk out of mobiles on our old system. So there's no way your portable is going to work, but I just want to see if it will work. And they went down there and they talked to me, and it was crystal clear. And I said, well, that's pretty amazing.
So that's exciting to us. It could save a lot of money. And we're pleased with the coverage we got now with our pagers, and we won't be sacrificing that to be able to go P25 with our mobiles and our day-to-day two-way communications.
And we feel like we got the absolute best system that we could get, and it was inexpensive. So it's not like it's the best for the money. We feel like we got the best that we could get, and it was inexpensive. Me and Chief were talking the other day, and he said that if he was gonna buy a radio system again tomorrow, he would buy exactly the same thing.
We're pleased with our coverage. We're pleased with the service we're getting, and the installation of the system was flawless. Overall, we're very pleased.